Look what I got, mommy. Unboxing PR package from Yobu.
I am a certified Yobu mom user. Kitang-kita naman, sobrang dami ko ng wipes na nagamit kasi simula newborn up until now na 9 months na si baby, Yobu user talaga kami. So, let's unbox this PR package.
And this is what I got. So for my PR package, I got, of course, wet wipes. I have 5 baby wet wipes. And I have a nursing pad. 9 months breastfeeding mom, and yes, I am still using a nursing pads. So 30 pieces lahat. Gamit na gamit talaga tong nursing pads kung ayaw mong mga moy evap. Other collection! Lagi kong ginagamit is ang manual breast pump. So, yung electric breast pump ko naman, I still have it. Pero there are days na best friend kami at may days na hindi kami bate. Hopefully, this double electric breast pump ay maging breast friend kami. Kasi para sabay siya, kasi lagi akong parallel pumping. And same parts lang siya sa manual breast pump na ginagamit ko. So, hindi naman siguro siya ganun kadami pag nilinisan mo. So, when it comes to suction, siguro gagawa na lang din ako ng review or another video about this product. Thank you, Yobu! Happy mom here!